Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we're doing the best peanut butter chocolate cake, which is in honor of my oldest birthday. Today's her birthday, y'all, and she loves cake, and this is the cake that she requested. And y'all, it turned out so good, and I'm gonna show you how I decorated it. I'm doing another drip cake, and she's okay, you know, she's still cute, but we're gonna keep working with it. And this recipe will be found under my dessert playlist, so make sure you check it out. Here we go. So I'm going to start with some King Arthur's cake flour, which is a must-have, but you can also use all-purpose flour, some dark cocoa, 2 different types of sugar, granulated and brown, a cup of hot coffee, buttermilk, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and 2 eggs that are at room temperature, some vegetable oil, and then Molina, one of my favorite vanillas. And then I have this peanut butter cup syrup that I picked up from Home Goods. Y'all need to check out their shelves. They have a lot of cool stuff. So when baking, you start with your dry ingredients. So I'm just going to add everything to my sifter, and then we're just going to sift that through. And the measurements and ingredients will be posted in the description box. And any bits left over, just go ahead and push that through the sifter. A quick mix, and then I'll set it off to the side. And for our wet, we're going to start with the vegetable oil and the sugar, and I want to mix that together like you would do. It's kind of creaming, I guess you could say. Then I'm going to add in my eggs and mix them up, and they should start to turn light and fluffy, and that's exactly what you want. And then you'll add in your vanilla, and then the peanut butter syrup, you don't need much. It just gives you that extra peanut flavor throughout the cake batter. So I'm gonna throw my dry into my wet and mix that up. And while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It's my baby's birthday, y'all, and thank y'all so much to those who have subscribed, and welcome to all my new subscribers, y'all. And today also is my buddy Tim's birthday. Happy birthday, Tim. He is my daughter's birthday twin. So I am going to use my pan spray, and I'm going to just spray my pans in even amounts of batter and tap them out to get those air bubbles out, and into the oven they go. And here you guys, look how beautiful those cakes are. We're going to pull them out and let them sit out until they become room temperature. So on my frosting, I have cream cheese and butter, powdered sugar, and then I'm going to add some more of that peanut butter sauce, and then the vanilla. So this is a simple frosting. Any frosting that you guys see me use, I've always used cream cheese. It's just the easiest, and it just gives you the best taste. And I mean, come on, cream cheese based frosting, y'all. Come on, stick a flip-flop in it. So after I've creamed it, I'm going to add in some powdered sugar and then just blend that together. And then what you'll end up with is this creamy frosting, almost like a mousse. So I just received this cake decorating kit, and it is going to make you decorate cakes like a pro. So yeah. No, that didn't happen. Your cake is not going to look like that on your first try. It has 200 pieces, but I'm going to use just a few today. So first thing, I'm going to take that fupa off that cake, y'all. Get that muffin top off, y'all. And then that'll help you have a leveled cake. And then I'm going to use this cake cutter that came with the kit. You know, it worked. So I'm impressed. So off to the side, I put a little dollop of frosting on my cake turner, I guess. And then I'm just going to start to frost just the top and start layering it up. So this is enough frosting for 2 whole cakes. I cut it into 4 layers, so I'm going to use obviously a lot more frosting. But if you want to add some more, you can, but it should be plenty. So after I've done that, I'm just going to put it onto the top and then run frosting on the sides. And I'm going to use this little paddle thing that came in the decorating kit as well, and then just kind of smooth it out. I'm just kind of going for that bare kind of cake look. It's not going to be completely covered, but I mean, that's kind of the thing right now, y'all. So after I've smoothed the sides and top, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So I have some dark chocolate chips and some warm heavy cream, and that's going to sit for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to blend this up, and this is going to give me that ganache. And so one thing that I have done in the past is not let it sit, so it needs to sit for 20 minutes just to make sure that it is at room temperature. So I'm gonna cover this up so it doesn't dry out and get a film, and after 20 minutes, here you go. So I'm gonna do a tester because once it's on a cake, it's over. So as you can see, the drip went super fast and it's pulling, it's not ready. So I did add some more what I did add is some chocolate cocoa to kind of thicken it up a little bit, and as you can see, you get that slow drip. So you just put a little bit at the top and then just kind of give it a little bit of encouragement and push it over the edge. And so the more ganache and the harder the push, the longer your drip will be, and you want to kind of alternate it, which I didn't do at first, and you know, just kind of work your way around so you can kind of go in between, but see, it kind of levels out. You want to have some variance in your drips, y'all. So I have now just put my drips around the edges, and then I'm just gonna fill in the middle with some more ganache and smooth that out. And then I'm just, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but it chews and tastes perfect. So I have these little unicorn beads that I also picked up from Home Goods, which are super cute little sprinkles and beads that are edible, and it just gives you a little pretty, y'all. And here you go. This is the final product, and it's all about those layers in that moist cake. Y'all, look at that. Come on. And hold on now, I know what you want, baby. I'm gonna let you go on and get that bite. Look at that moist cake, and watch, there are not gonna be any crumbs that fall. That means your cake is super moist. But look at that, y'all. Go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. So good. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and remember, new recipes every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.